What's going on, everyone? I hope everybody's having an awesome day, and I hope everybody's enjoying it. And also, I just want to say sorry I haven't posted a video in a while for the Mitsubishi on the Mitsubishi videos. But anyway, the new mods that I installed, the MA Performance tubular manifold and the exhaust downpipe, opened up downpipe. Well, kind of find out my car's running lean now, so I'm trying to be cautious. I'm trying not to drive it a whole lot. Cause it's bad if you keep driving it while it's running lean. Another thing is it was running in the high 13s, low 14s with the AFR, which is air fuel ratio for those of you who don't know that's watching this video. Now when it's sitting idling, it's in the high 17s, and then it just like it just dies. Like it doesn't even register past 17.9. But yeah, so it's running lean, and I got to get it tuned. I've been saying that for a while. I got to get it retuned. But here's the thing. I put in my 2 weeks notice in my job that I was at, and I'm thinking about becoming a tuner. And so I'm kind of flirting around with the idea, thinking about how to get started, where to get started, and what program to use. I know Cobb tuning is real popular with the Subarus and stuff like that, and then you got like HP tuners, which I think is like GM and Ford or something like that, and Dodge. But anyway, so I'm thinking about getting my hand involved in tuning, and I'm going to tune my own car. And I've been learning a lot how to map it and stuff like that, and how to adjust the air fuel ratio. So I want to get good at it first. I'm taking some online courses. I'm trying to figure out, trying to excel in it. And then I'm going to tune my own car. And then I still want it dyno, because I want to know how much power I'm going to be pushing. But when I tune my car, then I'm going to open myself up to tuning other people's vehicles, whatever I'm going to specialize in a certain area. I haven't decided if it's going to be like Evo and Subaru or what. I don't know. Like Subaru STI, stuff like that. And people keep telling me, well, you need to do Mustangs. And I'm like, I got an Evo. But anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much where I stand right now with the Mitsubishi videos. I'm still going to drive my car. I can still normally drive it. I just can't really punch it anymore, because there's like a little bit of a crackle and a pop when you drive it. Which I don't really dog it out anyway. But that's all I'm here to say. I'm still gonna be doing Mitsubishi videos, just not as much like I was. But so yeah, here's my Evo. Gonna try to become a tuner. Wish me luck. Hope I can get really good at it, and then whatever cars I come across that I tune, with the person's consent, I might record it as well and put it on my channel. So let me know how y'all think. Y'all would like that? Would y'all like to see me do something like that, like tuning a car and all that whatnot good stuff? But anyway, so hope everybody has a blessed day. Stay tuned, subscribe, and thank you for supporting me. Have an awesome day.